I'll be sharing the 10 daily habits that have helped me consistently make $200. These practices aren't just about luck. They involve discipline and strategy that anyone can implement. So let's dive into how these small changes can lead to significant wealth over time. Habit 1. Setting daily goals. Every morning, I take a few minutes to write down my goals for the day. It helps me clarify what needs to be done. Whether it's focusing on a side hustle or doing something to save money, having that clear focus keeps me on track. It's amazing how just a little planning can lead to productive days that align with my wealth-building objectives. Habit 2. Tracking expenses. I diligently track all my expenses using a handy budgeting app. This little habit allows me to see where my money goes monthly, and I'm often surprised at where I might be overspending. By pinpointing these areas, I can cut back, redirecting that cash flow towards my savings and investments, which is essential for growing my wealth. Habit 3. Investing time in education. I've made it a priority to dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to learning more about personal finance and investment strategies. Some days it's the latest book on wealth building, while others it's a podcast that features industry experts. This commitment keeps my financial knowledge fresh and empowers me to make informed decisions when opportunities arise. Habit 4. Networking with like-minded people. Every week, I make it a point to either meet with or connect online with individuals who share similar financial goals. Networking can feel daunting at times, but it's been incredibly rewarding. Sharing insights and experiences fosters a sense of accountability. Plus, surrounding myself with ambitious people motivates me to stay committed to my own goals and keeps me inspired. Habit 5. Automating savings and investments. One of the best decisions I made was to set up automatic transfers to my savings and investment accounts. By automating these processes, I ensure that I'm consistently saving money without even thinking about it. It takes away the guesswork and makes saving feel effortless, which in turn accelerates my journey toward wealth. Habit 6. Engaging in side hustles. Having a side hustle has become crucial for boosting my monthly income. While I do have my regular job, I always seek opportunities to earn extra money. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or even selling products online, these extra earnings allow me to invest more and diversify my financial portfolio, which is key in today's economy. Habit 7. Reviewing financial progress. At the end of each week, I take time to review my financial progress. I assess my spending, evaluate how my investments are performing, and take notes on where I need to improve. This weekly reflection keeps me on track, ensuring I'm consistently moving closer to my financial goals. Habit 8. Mindful spending. I practice mindful spending, meaning I carefully evaluate each purchase. Before I buy something, I ask myself whether it truly aligns with my financial goals. This simple habit helps me to avoid impulse buys and redirects my savings towards opportunities that will grow my wealth. Conclusion: the power of consistency. In conclusion, these daily habits may seem small, but their cumulative effect can make a significant impact on your financial journey. By being consistent and intentional with these practices, anyone can find themselves on the path to making that extra $200 and beyond each day. Thank you for joining me on this journey.